Harinam Japa ki? Okay. So today's Japa discussion is on absorption. Just be attentive, I'm just going to take 5 minutes, not more. Srila Prabhupada in one purport, he discusses that if we are fully engaged in spiritual senses, we will never fall down in bhakti. भगवान की सेवा में अगर हम सतत स्थित हो तो हम कभी भी नहीं घिरेंगे. भक्ति के पथ से हम कभी हमारा पतन नहीं होगा, हम आगे ही प्रगति करेंगे. So one sannyasi, he says, fully engaged with spiritual senses is very important. We have material senses. That material senses become spiritual by complete engagement. And we don't completely engage also. So this fully engaged with spiritual senses can be understood in one word, that is absorption. The Bhagavatam says, Canto 11, Chapter 9, Text 22, Yatra yatra manodehi dharayet sakalam dhiya snehat dveshat bhayat vapi yati tat tat swarupatam. In whatever mood we approach Krishna, if we are absorbed, we get a form accordingly. Snehat, whether it is in love, dveshat, whether it is in envy or jealousy, bhayat, whether it is in fear. Even if in these emotions, if we approach Krishna with absorption, we get a form in the spiritual world. Snehat, like Mother Yashoda. Dveshat, like Shishupal. Bhayat, like Kamsa. But they all got perfection because they were all absorbed in Krishna. And another example, it's given that a wasp would get a worm into the hole. Will get a worm and put it in the hole and constantly keep stinging that worm. But this worm, because of fear of that wasp, starts thinking constantly of that wasp in fear, and soon it develops wings because of fear of that wasp. So that worm started developing wings because of absorption, even if it's in fear of that wasp. So you get your spiritual nature according to your meditation, which is absorbed. So this is very important. When we chant the holy name also, Srila Prabhupada explains our growth in bhakti depends 99% on our absorption and the quality of our chanting. Quality of japa means absorption. Absorption in japa means hearing. Chanting with our tongue, hearing with our ears. Mantra means you should keep the mantra in the mind. But when we are chanting japa, we are thinking everything else. Nathe vidus swartha gatim hi Vishnu durashayaye bahirartha manina. Those who are durashaya, materialistic people, durashayaye bahi arthamanina, things which are found outside, they consider that to be artha or wealth. But devotees understand vidhu swartha gatim hi Vishnu. Ultimate well-wishing destination for us is attaining Vishnu or Krishna, and that is possible by chanting with absorption. And what absorption is finally, as I promised you, it's described in Canto 8, Chapter 3, Text 1 in the story of Gajendra. Evam vyavasito buddhya samadhaya manoridi jajapa paramam japyam pragjanmani anushikshitam. The Bhagavatam describes Gajendra called out ajapyam. He called out chanting the japa, the mantra in his mouth. But how did he call? Evam vyavasito buddhya. His intellect was one-pointed. Samadhaya mano ridhi. His mana, ridhi and buddhi was in samadhi. And vyavasayatmika, one-pointed and total absorption. Mind, intellect and heart. Jajapa paramam japyam. Bhagavatam describes japa to the best is when mind, intellect and heart are absorbed. How is the intellect absorbed? Before chanting japa, we must hear verses glorifying japa. We must hear verses glorifying the holy name. So the intelligence is fixed up that, oh, this holy name of Krishna is a touchstone. Chintamani. How is the mind absorbed? Chanting and hearing. And even if the mind goes astray, you get it back. And how is the heart absorbed? By feeling. ऐसा हमेशा समझना चाहिए कि I am Gajendra. The crocodile is Maya. And I am in the water of the crocodile. I am in the material world of Maya. And the only thing I can offer the Lord is the lotus-like bhakti of the holy name. Let me offer it. And Gajendra, in the mood that Gajendra offers. And as we started our talk with prayers, with that mood, we must chant. We must see how Gajendra is praying. In that mood, we must call out to Krishna with so much of gratitude that Krishna has agreed to become the land of Vrindavan. Krishna has agreed to become Sadguru. Krishna has agreed to become Yamuna and Ganga. Krishna has agreed to become Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna has agreed to become Govardhan. Krishna has agreed to become the holy name. Krishna, you are trying so much to uplift me. Durdaiva midrisham iha janinanuraga. You are trying so much, my Lord, but I am having no taste. With this mood, when we chant Krishna's name, this is absorption. And with absorption, our japa, our quality will increase. When the quality of japa increases, we will make advancement. Harinam Prabhu.